In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to use chat in Roblox on Xbox in 2022. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. Sadly, this is a feature that was removed by Roblox quite recently. Are there any workarounds to this? A possible method you can use is by opening up the Xbox dashboard and heading into the Microsoft Edge app, where you can log in through Roblox through the Roblox website by using Microsoft Edge on your Xbox. Through the Roblox website at Microsoft Edge, you can then access the chat functionalities that would otherwise be available on Roblox and Xbox. Another workaround to this is by using the mobile app on your phone. You can open up the app at any time while playing Roblox on Xbox, and through the mobile app, you can now message people who are in your friends list. Sadly, officially, this feature is impossible to be used, so there is no way to use chat in Roblox without using some workarounds like the two I just mentioned, by going to the Microsoft Edge website on your Xbox or by using the mobile app on your phone. This feature has been removed by Roblox itself. I hope I was able to help you clear up any questions you had on how to use chat in Roblox on Xbox in 2022. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.